Sex facts about human sexuality. Human sexuality is a complex and multifaceted aspect of human life. While it is a natural and integral part of our existence, it can also be a sensitive and private matter. Here are some general and educational facts about human sexuality. Diversity of orientation. Human sexuality is diverse, and individuals can have different sexual orientations. Common sexual orientations include heterosexual, attraction to the opposite gender, homosexual, attraction to the same gender, and bisexual, attraction to both genders. Asexuality. Some individuals identify as asexual, meaning they experience little to no sexual attraction. Asexuality is a valid and natural orientation. Gender identity. Gender identity is separate from sexual orientation. People may identify as transgender, genderqueer, non-binary, or cisgender, and their gender identity may not necessarily align with their assigned sex at birth. Consent is vital. Consent is a fundamental aspect of sexual activity. All parties involved must willingly and enthusiastically agree to engage in sexual activities. Consent can be withdrawn at any time. Sex education. Comprehensive sex education is crucial for understanding reproductive health, safe sex, contraception, and sexual health. Inadequate sex education can lead to misconceptions and health risks. Safe sex. Practicing safe sex can help prevent the transmission of sexually transmitted infections, STIs, and unwanted pregnancies. Condoms and other barrier methods are commonly used for safe sex. Menstruation. Menstruation is a natural part of the female reproductive cycle. It typically occurs once a month and signifies a potential for pregnancy. Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction, ED, is a common condition where a man has difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection. It can have physical, psychological, or lifestyle-related causes. Female orgasm. The female orgasm can be achieved through clitoral stimulation, vaginal penetration, or a combination of both. It is not necessary for reproduction but can enhance sexual pleasure. Masturbation. Masturbation is a common and healthy practice for exploring one's body and experiencing sexual pleasure. It is not associated with negative health effects. Sexual dysfunction. Both men and women can experience sexual dysfunction, such as premature ejaculation, anorgasmia, inability to orgasm, or low libido. These issues can have medical or psychological causes. Kinks and fetishes. People may have specific sexual preferences or fetishes that fall outside the norm. As long as these are consensual and safe, they are valid expressions of human sexuality. Sexual health. Regular sexual health checkups are essential for monitoring and preventing STIs. Many STIs can be asymptomatic, so testing is crucial for early detection. Sexual rights. Individuals have sexual rights, which include the right to consensual sexual activity, the right to information about sexual health, and the right to make choices regarding reproduction. Sexual violence. Sexual violence is a serious issue that includes rape, harassment, and coercion. It is a violation of consent and human rights and is subject to legal consequences. Age of consent. The age of consent for sexual activity varies by country and jurisdiction. It is a legal standard that determines when a person can legally engage in sexual activities. Sexual orientation and gender identity support. LGBTQ+ individuals may face unique challenges and discrimination. Supportive environment and understanding are vital for their well-being. It's important to approach discussions about human sexuality with sensitivity and respect for diversity. Understanding and acknowledging the complexity of human sexuality can promote informed and healthy relationships and lifestyles.